Hello and welcome back to the Kentucky Career Center's Assistive Technology Learning Portal. In this video, we're going to be installing a computer software called Microsoft Mathematics. Microsoft Mathematics can be installed on any computer with a Windows operating system. In this video, we'll see how to download the program and install it on your Windows computer. Check out the other videos and links on the Learning Portal website to learn more about what this program does and how to use it. First, we need to figure out whether you are using a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. If your computer uses Windows 8 or Windows 10, like mine, simply click the Start button and then click on the gear, which will open the Windows Settings menu. Click System. In the menu on the left side, scroll down and click About. Under Device Specifications, you will see the system type. This should indicate whether you are using a 32-bit or a 64-bit system. If your computer uses a Windows 7 operating system, click the Start button, right-click on Computer, and then click Properties. The system type appears under the System heading. Now that we know what type of computer you're using, it's time to download the installation file for Microsoft Mathematics. You can click the link on the Learning Portal page to go directly to the download site. You can also type Microsoft Mathematics into your search bar. Just be sure that the site that you select is from Microsoft.com and not from another website. In the gray box, select your language and then click the orange Download button. On the next screen, check the box next to the version you need. If your computer was a 32-bit system, check the box next to mSetup86. If you have a 64-bit machine, select the box next to mSetup64. Then click Next. Now the computer wants to know what we want to do with the file. We can either click Run to run the file immediately, or we can click Save to save the file so that we can run it later. This time we'll click Save. Now that we've downloaded the installation file, it's time to install the program. Begin by clicking the File Explorer icon on your toolbar. Next, click Downloads, and then double-click on the name of the file that we just downloaded. If you receive a security screen like this one, verify that the name of the app says Microsoft Mathematics and that the publisher is Microsoft Corporation, and then click Yes. Now we just follow the installation prompts to complete the installation. Click Next to start the installation. On this screen is the Microsoft Software License Terms. These are the terms you agree to when using Microsoft Mathematics. Scroll through and read the terms. Once you've read them and agreed to them, click the checkbox to indicate that you accept the terms, then click Next to continue. This screen asks if you'd like to join the Customer Experience Improvement Program. This sends information back to Microsoft to help them improve the program. For most people, this is an unnecessary addition. Just click Next to proceed to the next page. This screen asks where on your computer you would like to install Microsoft Mathematics. If you don't have a preference, just leave it where the default location is set and click Next to continue. Now, click Install to begin the installation. Now you'll receive a screen that says that the installation has completed. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard. In most cases, you will now be prompted to set up DirectX. DirectX is an additional set of components for Windows that help the program run more easily. Again, take a moment to review the license agreement, then click to indicate that you accept the agreement and click Next to continue. On this screen, click Next to begin the installation. Now you've received an indication that the installation is complete. Click Finish. Now we can see that Microsoft Mathematics has completed the installation. Click Close. You are now ready to use Microsoft Mathematics. See the Learning Portal website for additional videos on how to use this program. Thanks for watching.